what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Wagwan viewers and subscribers from your device, you know it's your boy Soji TV Entertainment with the next review on two bad artists. And me I say yo, the song where me I go review title No Traitor. And me I say it feature by corolanchas and fevvo. Yes man, and me I tell you say it's a young producer go and run with the two artists them said we you know. Producer named Nicholas, you see me, and the records label named Nicholas Records, and we like how the little youths them I take time I do them thing. We are youths too, you know, so me not too little down the man them thing, but the man them are youths like me, see them in my 20s, I go and do them thing, and Soji TV Entertainment come across the song yeah, you see me, and me I tell you say this song I give me a meds like a Sunday meds. You see me just chill on my balcony with a big head spliff and a cold beer, and I go and look down and I watch it on and a meds, and I say yeah man, we just want to make it out in our life and look out for each other them and the bad mind them and the evil. And me I say yo, big up the two artists them. I'm gonna like you guys go over them fevvo channel, you see me, and give them the support. No joke, corolanchas and fevvo. Yes man, I'm would like you guys go give Nicholas Records the support as well for some my underground artists and some my artists them we are going good. Go and go give the young producer support man. Make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there man. You see me? Yes man, Nicholas Records. Big up yourself man. Yes man. Yeah man. Me know that youth are from about 2018 when I work at Sandals. You see me? And it's a joy if you see say yo. You see me? Hotel and some other work and I just this alone you can be your own boss, see me, and for him as a young youth do that, which are my priority if you do that, but a younger youth do it before me and I go and do him thing. I mean there I go and do some blog. Me not go take nothing for run with a review for youngster them see me, cause me want the strength and them want the strength. I mean I say viewers and subscribers goes and listen that song ya, cause you have a little vibe, you have a little meds about it, you see me? Yes man, cause every time if you listen some boogie yaga, you know, and some badness and some, if you listen some smooth tune more while, I mean I say yes, Nicholas Records, go and do it same way me charge you, soon get find a hit there. You see me? And remember say Soji TV Entertainment there you see me. I say viewers and subscribers, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I'm looking for at least 500 more subscribers before the year done. Please, I'm asking you. The TV there I go and do the review them same way, you know. They me not too busy now, so me can do some review work again same way till me get back something, you know. Yes, viewers and subscribers, cause we there, you know, we have to go out there for the youths them same way, cause sister for the parents out there for we, you know, and then make sure say we go to school and things. So if we get youth, you know, so we have to do the right thing. I mean I said that tune yeah, I want good tune. I would like you guys give the youths them support. No joke, and make them know say a Soji TV Entertainment send on over there. Book.